Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best serger sewing machines on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Brother Thread Serger. Whether it's just polishing off the edges with an overlock seam or working on thin fabrics or even decorating knitted clothing, the Brother 1034D takes care of everything a beginner serger user would think of. Firstly, it is very easy to thread, thanks to the color-coded threading guide with pictures. The differential feed is a feature to die for as it makes sewing on fragile materials like organza and satin easier, thus giving your work that professional finish. It also comes with several inbuilt stitches and interchangeable presser feet that enable you to sew narrow, rolled, and even blind hems and flatlock stitches among other major types. The removable arm is great if you stitch kids' clothing where you want to work on shorter sleeves. A bestseller in its category, the Brother 1034D serges like a dream. It makes little to no noise, uses regular sewing machine needles, too, and also allows speed control with the foot pedal. In case you missed it, it is pretty fast at a maximum speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. Pros: 22 built-in stitch functions, 2 regular sewing machine needles. Differential feed, color-coded upper thread guides, removable, free, arm. Fast, up to 1,300 stitches per minute. Snap-on, interchangeable presser feet, adjustable knife/blade. Uses regular sewing needles. The instructional DVD is very helpful. Cons: does not support overlock or chain stitch. Number 2. Our second best pick is Singer ProFinish Serger. Slightly less priced than the Brother model above and with features similar to it, the Singer ProFinish is another great machine for beginners. Sergers are usually perceived as objects in which threading is considered impossible for a novice, but not with this model. Just follow the instructions in the DVD or the bilingual manual and get started. The 4 hem stitches are perfect for design students and creative homemakers who want to try their hands at a little decorative work. The free arm and differential feed are lifesavers. Overall, Singer ProFinish is a smooth and portable serger that will give a run for your money, considering that it is cheaper than the Brother model and comes with more accessories. Pros: 8 stitch types including 4 hem options. Differential feed, adjustable tension and stitch length. Fast, up to 1,300 stitches per minute. Removable free arm, color-coded threading. Cons: the placement of the presser foot lever can be an issue for an intermediate user. Tends to make some occasional noise. Does not support cover stitch. Number 3. Our third best pick is Singer Professional 5-Thread Serger Overlock. This Singer model is one of the top-rated sergers in the heavy-duty, professional category. Not recommended for beginners at all, this sturdy instrument is how far technology can go in an industrial serger sewing machine. The features are similar to what we saw with the Juki model, but complexity is what makes this a real sweetheart for experienced serger users. Once you have completely read the workbook, can be downloaded from the internet or on Singer's website, and the user manual, you will start understanding why it is one of the best sergers with cover stitch capability. Because it uses top-grade serger needles and serger threads, the finished seams will look like they were sewed by the Almighty himself. Even our own tester took 2 days to completely understand the machine before he gave us the points to write about. Almost all types of stitches are possible with this model, which you can pull off in any type of fabric. Don't ignore the free accessories kit, as it can be a goldmine of stuff that usually doesn't come cheap. Pros: 5-thread system, wide variety of stitches. Fully automatic self-adjusting tension system. Differential feed, adjustable stitch length. Color-coded diagram, easy threading. Cover stitch capability to sew stretchy fabrics. Cons: does not have a free arm. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Janome Serger sewing machine. For everyone who believes more in Janome than Brother and Singer, this model is going to be the new bad boy. It is such an easy machine that you can start working on a project as soon as you receive it. Just feed the spools, guide the threads, and start sewing. The color-coded threading guide definitely helps if you want to experiment with the pre-setup. Once you start using it, it will soon become clear what the extra dollars have been used for. It is a real workhorse that can work for hours without making noise. The instructional DVD is designed in a way that both beginners and advanced users can use it to utilize the Janome 8002 DS capabilities. Janome is a customer-friendly brand which always puts its users first. No wonder why this easy-to-use serger is also recommended for children, young learners, and people with low eyesight, arthritis, or impaired motor skills. A person who has never used a serger before can effortlessly manage to do a variety of projects that require different types of stitches. Pros: differential feed, adjustable stitch length and foot pressure. Color-coded tension dials with changeable thread guide. Built-in rolled hem without the need of plate change. Fast, up to 1,300 stitches per minute. Cons: does not have a free arm. Does not do cover stitch. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Juki 5 Thread Serger. A heavy-duty serger for home business owners and fashion design students, the Juki MO735 is known for its exceptional cover stitching capability, careful, high-quality stitches that stay for years and years, and knit sewing. Once you manage to get around with the threading, this serger will serve as a multi-purpose utility for your home-based business. It can sew on all types of fabric materials, has abundant stitch styles, and comes with added features that will make even the most advanced user jump in joy. For example, the serging precision is so impressive that you get accurate seam allowances even if you don't pay any attention. This may upset people who are in the sewing industry who would compare it with industry-grade machines and then rant that this one here is not as heavy-duty as the ones they use in warehouses. The opposite is true. This is the best Juki serger at this price that is also powerful, fast, and very durable, as you will find out within minutes of owning it. Pros: 24 stitch options, 5 thread serger. Lay-in threading, color-coded thread paths, easy looper threading. Very high foot lift for thicker fabrics. Differential feed, stitch length adjustments, removable knife. Uses standard household needles. Cons: poor user manual, no instructional DVD. Threading is a difficult process, the manual does not help. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.